So I've come across a lot of jobs that are seeking people with diverse qualifications. However, I'm often confused about which one to show on my channel because I want to try to keep the video as balanced as possible. And this has led to some jobs expiring by the time I go back and check for them to, make a video. Many of you have also reached out to me for assistance in applying for jobs or just giving job suggestions. And I feel really bad that I can't help everyone at once. I try, but based on other obligations, I just simply can't. And because of that, I'm going to share 13 websites with you that are always displaying international remote jobs or jobs that are available worldwide. So just in case, you reach out to me and I definitely can't help you at that moment, you can always go on there and check to see if you find anything that suits your qualifications or so. But before I jump into it, please remember that I'm currently doing a giveaway. So for those of you who want to go ahead and to tap in to see if you can actually win, please go ahead and watch this video for the details. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Lika. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm going to go ahead and say please subscribe if you want to see more work from home jobs that are available to people within the Caribbean or from smaller nations who find it very difficult to get jobs online. So the first website that I have, it's called Remote.co, and to be honest, this is one of the main websites that I always go and check for when I want to find online jobs for you guys. So as you see on their website, right here where it says find remote jobs, that's one way to find them. Or you can scroll down to here where it says remote customer service jobs. That is another way that you can find them. So you go ahead and you click, and then let me show you one thing that I usually do. Where is it? Alright, so if you see here where it says international, that means the job is available to you. So you can always go ahead and apply. And if you're certainly not sure, even though it says international, you can just go ahead and click on it and just read the description. Now, couch surfing, I am sure that this is one of the jobs that are hiring, because I will also be mentioning it to you guys later on. But as you can see, this is one of them, couch surfing. I'm not going to dive into it because that's not really what I'm here about. I'm just here to show you the websites that you can go on to. But this couch surfing, they are currently taking applications. I'd advise you to just come on remote.co, scroll down to where it is, and go ahead and apply. Now the second website is called We Work Remotely, and again, this is also one of the websites that I do find remote jobs for you guys. So what you want to do when you come onto We Work Remotely, you want to go ahead and you want to scroll down to where it says customer service. Now let me show you how you can go ahead and find that. So right here you see it says sales and marketing jobs. So you scroll past design jobs, product jobs, management and finance. Now here we are at where it says customer service jobs, and to know if the job is available to you, you are going to see where it says anywhere in the world. And if you still do not feel as if anywhere in the world applies to you, you can always go ahead and click on that specific job that you see it at and read through the description to see if they exclude your country from it or if your country is included in it as well. So let's just do an example where it says just. And as you can see, over 6,168 applicants have already applied. So guys, I really advise you, please, as soon as you see this video, come on here. So the third website is called NoDesk.co. And trust me, NoDesk is definitely another site, guys. Almost all of these sites are what I use to find jobs for you. So trust me, you can trust them. Now, when you want to find a job on NoDesk, you want to go ahead and click on Find a Job. Then you scroll down to here and you are going to type exactly what you want. So for example, and there are also options. So if you want customer support, you go ahead, filter by remote. So I went ahead and I clicked on customer support. I wrote remote Jamaica, and when I scroll through, I see where it says customer service specialist, but that is for people who speak German. So you scroll right past that. Coming down right here where you see CX Advocate, you realize that it says worldwide. So right there and then you know that you can go ahead and you can check for this one as well. Now the fourth website is called Remoteworkers.net. And when you want to search for jobs on Remoteworkers.net, what you want to go and do, you want to go ahead and search customer service right there. And where you see USA only, you are supposed to see worldwide. So here's an example of one. Guys, trust me, you will find jobs. And you don't have to wait on me. But if you definitely realize that you can't do it on your own, you can feel free to go ahead and reach out to me. I will try and assist if I can. The next website is called workingnomads.com. Now, to find a job on workingnomads.com, you want to go ahead, come down here again, and you want to go ahead and to type what you're looking for. So if you're looking for customer service, so location, anywhere. I don't know why it's not selecting, but it usually selects. Now I was searching for customer service jobs, but as you can see here, they are seeking freelance travel consultants. As you can see, it says anywhere. So you know guys, these are definitely things that you can always check into. Now let's go to the next website. Another website is called smartworkershome.com. So this is a new website, I'm going to be honest, but then when I realized that I could really find jobs that are located all over the world, I really took my time to just add it to the list as well. So job category, you can go customer service, and then let's go search, find jobs. And then right there you see them popping up worldwide. And I'm sure you noticed couch surfing. Now guys, I'm going to tell you this again. No company would waste money on advertisement if they are not actually seeking applicants. The worst you can do is to get rejected. That's the worst that can actually happen. So please go ahead and apply. Moving on. So this one is called remotive.com. Now remotive, it is also another website that I can definitely count on when I'm seeking remote jobs for you guys. So I go on customer service and I just scroll through until I see the ones that say worldwide. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult, but just like how you see right here where it's asking for a manager for inbound customer success, that is how it will look when you go ahead and you search for just customer service jobs that are available. You will see the little thing right there that says worldwide. And trust me, some of the jobs that I have mentioned to you on my channel, I have found it right on here. So don't worry, you can always check. So this next website is called smoothremote.com, and this one is also new to me, but I found it, and when I went through, I realized that yes, you guys can find work on it. So please go ahead and check it out. Let me do just a little test. Customer service. Alright, let us go and let us do this. So right here where you see customer success manager, as you can see, it says anywhere, and anywhere might apply to us. The next website is called remotehub.com. The only thing you want to go ahead and do is to click on find work. So find work, and then right there you want to go ahead and you want to select customer service or sales. You can also go ahead and filter the search just to make it a little bit better for you. Remote, apply. So right here you notice that Vanguard Pro Match, they are seeking customer service representatives. So this is what I mean when you see right there where it says anywhere. Guys, just go ahead, read the description of the job and just apply. Moving on, the next one is called trulyremote.co, and yes, Truly Remote is another website that I use to find jobs for you guys. So let's come right down here, click on customer service, and then let us scroll and let us look junior support agent. Now I remember reading through this exact job, and I believe that it is something that a lot of you will be qualified for. So if you come on it and you see this, you can always go ahead, check and apply. Now this one is new to me and it's called Worku or worku.com. It's new to me, but then I went ahead and I looked and I realized that yes, they had jobs that I I'm familiar with. For example, here you see IAPWE. No, a lot of you, let me not say no, a lot of you might know this because yes, I did tell you guys about it. So you can, and here again, Upwork. Oh my gosh, guys, you can always go ahead and check. Moving on, so now we're at simplyhired.com. Now let me tell you something. For Simply Hired, when you're searching for a job, it might not show up on your phone, as in an error message might come up, so you might want to go ahead and use your computer to search for jobs instead, because I noticed that sometimes when I come on here and I search for jobs on the phone on Simply Hired, it doesn't show up. But then when I switch to the computer, I noticed that all of them actually show up at that time. So we are now at justremote.co, and guys, justremote.co is also a website that I use. So let's go, customer service, let's go. Now with these guys, you want to go ahead and to click on them, and you want to go ahead and read to see if you are qualified, as in if you can work from your country, because some of them it doesn't show, but then when you go on the job description, you notice that yes, you can go ahead and apply, and that is just for justremote.co. That's the only one that I use that I notice I have that issue with. So we are down to the final one, and that is kokoroko.com. Now guys, just a disclaimer, Kokoroko is not for every single body. This one, it's not really available for Caribbean people, but then when I went on it, I noticed that South Africans, they are able to sign up for it. That's why I included it in the video, because I know that there are a lot of South Africans who watch my channel. So guys, if you see this, you can go ahead and to try Kokoroko. So guys, there is so much and no more that I can actually show you in one video. So what I want you to do, if you want to see more videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video if you haven't liked it as well, and please turn on your post notification bells, because that is how you will be notified when I drop a video. Until next time, I am out. Bye.